Lori here. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Deco Mesh Ruffle Tool. So I'm going to pan down, I'm going to show you how to use it. So you're going to take mesh that you've cut, and to make ruffles, we're just going to pull it straight out. I like to get a little edge, and then I put it right in the tool, so right in where that opening is. And I'm going to push with my thumbs. I just kind of use my hands to make sure that I'm going to keep it right in the center. But it's very easy, as you can see, to keep it in the center. You push it all down and pull it out as one piece, and then you have your perfect ruffle. Let me show you another way to use it. One thing I like to do is woodland ruffles. So you can take your mesh, put it upside down. Then you're going to do a good 2 curls. Then take your tool, push that in. Same exact thing, push with your thumb. When you get to the end, you can either take it and curl it 2 or 3 times and then push it in, or you can go all the way to the end, and once it's in the tool, then you do your 2 or 3 curls. You pull it out, and there you have your nice ruffle. You can also use this for bundles. So I sit this straight up. I'll take my ruffle and place it down right at the end. Then I can take another piece, curl that up, put the curl right on top. So now we have a totally different looking ruffle with a curl. And just for demonstration's sake, I'm going to put a little bow in there. And you can take this whole piece out. So you could do bows, you could do just your ribbon tails, and you can put this down just like this. So I hope this helped you know how to use our tool.